going on, guys? So today I'm going to try and do this piston ring. Just got a new piston ring for it, and hopefully it's the right one. But yeah, just going to have a go. Haven't done it before, so not really a tutorial, just a vlog, I guess. And yeah, so hopefully that's a good camera angle. And what am I going to do? Let's take this carburetor off. We'll just figure it out as we go, I guess. Hopefully seems to have low compression, so just going to have a go at this and see. See if we can fix the problem. Okay. I guess the next thing I'll take this carburetor off. So the let's take the spark plug out. The cylinder bolts here, and then one on this side. Okay, so I guess I'll try to pull this thing out. Pull the cylinder up, I guess. The new one on. Kind of bent that, so maybe, yeah. Gonna get some bit of oil too, just to lubricate everything. Just got a bit on my finger. 2-stroke oil. Gonna lubricate the cylinder wall. Oil. So when it starts, if it starts, you know, it's not scratching and stuff. And I guess over the piston. Piston ring. I know it's supposed to go one way, but I can't really see the groove. There is a groove on here too that you have to line up. Has a bit of side to side movement. This connecting rod. Don't know if that's a bad thing or not. Doesn't have a lot up and down. So there, that's the groove. You probably can't see it on camera. Probably a bit small. Where is it? Right there. I'm gonna line that up with this gap. I've seen them on like other engines and stuff that they check like the gap, put it into the cylinder and check the gap with this, but don't know if that's really necessary for this. It's going on easy enough. So I guess I'll put this back into the cylinder and hopefully that will fit in there. Don't need a compressor, piston ring tool. Doesn't want to go down now. Oh. Looks like it's too big, but I don't know. Yeah, I think this piston ring's just too big, to be honest. Don't think I should have to force it like this. Too tight. It's a shame, but yeah.